What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caela, and today we're going to be talking about everything. No, we're going to talk about why there's so many signs for one word. What does that mean? Is your way of learning it right and my way is wrong, and vice versa? And where have I been? So I haven't posted a video on YouTube in months. Sorry, my dog is over here. She's just staring at me. And what's going on? Actually, it's been like forever. So I have just had a lot of medical things, and I plan every other week to record a video. Actually, two. And I don't know, it's been months of me just just actively not doing it. But I do post shorts. They are videos from my TikTok. I do try to post on TikTok every day. So if you want to know just like one-off signs, then you'll find it there. But anyway, let's talk about why is there so many signs for one word? Which one am I supposed to know? Which one am I supposed to be using? And all that good stuff. So I just want to preface, ASL isn't English, right? It has similarities. Obviously you use English terms, but it's not English. And there's a lot of variations per sign due to just regionality. It's kind of like accents. You can say a word and like sign it one way, and someone from a totally different state, totally different deaf community will sign it totally different. The example I like to use is tale, T-A-L-E, so kind of like a story. So I sign it like this. It's like a circle, and you just keep going up. Some people sign it like this, and then some people just sign it like this, and this is a sign for story. They all mean the same word, tale. But there are 3 different versions of it. So a lot of times I get comments of, that's wrong, I learned it like this, which is great. I'm so glad that you're seeing, hey, like I learned it differently. But I do want to say that does not mean my sign or your sign is wrong. It's just we learned it really differently. And don't call out people when you actually don't know that there's different variations, because it just looks like you're the police of nothing and you end up looking stupid. So yeah, I hope that helped. Again, this is a beautiful language. It has culture, community, language itself. So it is going to be different, and unless you are fluent in all of the above, take as much as you can and learn from it. And yeah.